Today we are going to have a lesson on the parts of a leaf. Our first card here, we have a picture of a leaf. You may want to go outside and find a leaf of your own, and you can follow along the lesson and identify the different parts as I read about them to you. A leaf is the part of a plant that helps it make its own food. Most of the time, it has a green color that might change in the fall if the plant drops its leaves. Next, we have the blade. The blade of a leaf is the entire leaf unit. Sometimes the blade is made up of several smaller leaflets. Next, we have the base. You can see this part that is highlighted right here. The base of the leaf is the part of the blade that is found closest to the stem. Next, we have the margin. You can see that it's highlighted around the edge of the leaf. The margin of a leaf is the part of the blade that is found around the edges of the blade. So if you trace with your finger the shape of your leaf around the edge, you'll be tracing the margin. Next, we have the apex. You can see this is highlighted here. The apex of a leaf is the tip of the blade. Next, we have the primary vein. Do you see this dark line through the center of the blade? The primary vein is the main vein of the leaf, and it usually runs in the center of the blade from the base of the leaf to the apex. Now we have the secondary veins. The secondary veins are the veins that are usually found all over the leaf blade and are connected to the primary vein. Now we have the stem. The stem is the part that connects the leaf to the rest of the plant. Next, we have the stipule. The stipule is the part of the leaf that can usually be found between the stem and the petiole. Not all leaves have a stipule. Lastly, we have the petiole. The petiole is the thin stalk that usually connects the leaf blade to the stem. So to review, the 10 parts of the leaf that we have identified are the leaf itself, the blade, the base, the margin, the apex, the primary vein, the secondary veins, the stem, the stipule, and the petiole. I have included a diagram for you to look at, and I encourage you to make some drawings of leaves that you find around your home and in your backyard. And you can use this vocabulary that we've just learned to label the parts of your own leaf.